Things to keep in mind when you dress for a church service. The Mizo Society has certain kinds of dresses, especially for attending church. From time immemorial, Mizo traditional type of dressing was followed by Mizo women. Till today, we can see Mizo girls following this unwritten social norms. A great church outfit is one that makes you feel comfortable and also fits into the standards of your church community. Some churches lean more towards casual clothing, while others have more formal dress codes. Most churches, however, expect worshipers and guests to wear what makes them feel prepared to worship. Whatever the dress code is, though, you should feel comfortable enough to actively participate in the services in your outfit. Think modest and conservative when picking out your outfit. While church is a social gathering, it's not a party or a night out with your friends. Families of all different ages attend church, and many churches are still conservative, so make sure to dress appropriately. You should eliminate backless or low-cut dresses, spaghetti straps, tank tops, or anything that shows your midriff. Just because it has to be modest, does not mean it can't be fashionable. Just make sure to not leave a lot of your skin exposed. Overly glitzy jewelry or expensive accessories should also be avoided. Wear modest attire that is appropriate to the culture of the church. In some churches that means semi-formal, in others it means casual. Do not wear anything that rises above the knee. While there is not any exact measurement that's appropriate, make sure to avoid showing too much of your body or dressing in a way that would send signals that go against your tenets of the faith. Refrain from wearing anything transparent. Be aware of specific traditions in certain faiths. Some denominations or sects have specific traditions and customs that women must follow when attending service.
Those are the points female churchgoers must keep in mind. Always wear appropriate and modest outfits. Okay friends, before we wind up, subscribe our channel.